In fact, the speed of the SR-71 has been recorded at Mach 3.2, approximately 3,540 kilometers per hour or 2,200 miles per hour. That's nearly 3 times the speed of sound.
Which has been tested in sustained flight at more than 2,000 miles an hour. The performance of the A-11 far exceeds that of any other aircraft in the world today. The development of this aircraft has been made possible by major advances in aircraft technology of great significance for both military and commercial application.
One fascinating feature of the SR-71 is its titanium-built fuselage, which allows it to achieve such high speeds.